You probably think you know what a fruit is and what a vegetable is. But what if we told you that tomatoes, cucumbers, and even pumpkins are actually fruits? Let's peel back the science and culture behind fruits versus vegetables. You'll never look at your salad the same way again. 1. Let's start with the basics. Most people separate fruits and vegetables by taste. Fruits are sweet. Vegetables are savory, but that's not how science defines them. 2. Botanical definition in botany, fruits and vegetables are classified by how they grow. A fruit is the part of a plant that develops from a flower and contains seeds. A vegetable is any other edible part of a plant, like roots, stems, and leaves. 3. Examples of fruits that might surprise you. These are all botanically fruits. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, eggplant, zucchini, pumpkins, and squash. Why? Because they come from the flowering part and contain seeds. 4. Examples of true vegetables. These include carrots, roots, lettuce, leaves, celery, stems, broccoli, flower buds. They're not fruits because they don't develop from a flower or contain seeds. 5. Culinary confusion. In the kitchen, we use different rules. Fruits equals sweet, juicy, dessert-like. Vegetables equals savory, side dish, or main course. This is where the confusion begins. 6. The Tomato Supreme Court case. In 1893, the US Supreme Court ruled that tomatoes are vegetables for tax purposes. Botanically, they're fruits, but legally they were classified as vegetables due to common usage. 7. So, is a banana a fruit? Yes. Bananas are berries, technically. In fact, they are one of the few fruits without noticeable seeds due to cultivation. 8. Wait, what's a berry then? Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit from a single ovary with seeds inside. This makes bananas, grapes, and kiwis berries. But strawberries and raspberries are not true berries. Mind blown? 9. Nutritional differences. Fruits tend to be higher in sugar, and vitamin C vegetables tend to be higher in fiber, vitamin A, and minerals. 10. Cooking and usage fruits are usually eaten raw or sweetened, while vegetables are often cooked, sautéed, steamed, or stir-fried. 11. What about avocados? Yes, they're fruits, specifically a large berry with a single seed. Despite their creamy texture and savory taste, they grow from flowers and have a seed. 12. The role of seeds. If it has seeds on the inside or outside and grows from a flower, it's technically a fruit. Even things like okra and peas in pods count as fruits. 13. The stem, leaf, and root rule. If you're eating the plant stem, asparagus, leaf, spinach, or root, beets, you're eating a vegetable. 14. Cultural perceptions. Across cultures, what's considered a fruit or vegetable may differ. In India, okra is a vegetable. In Japan, sweet potatoes might be served as a dessert. 15. Storage and ripening fruits often continue to ripen after being picked, thanks to a gas called ethylene. Vegetables typically don't. 16. Fun fact. Corn is both. Corn is a grain, a fruit, and a vegetable depending on context. The kernels are seeds, fruit. The stalk is a stem, vegetable. The grain is processed like cereal crops. 17. Does it really matter? Scientifically, yes. Culinarily, not always. The classification helps farmers, nutritionists, and chefs understand and use food more effectively. 18. Marketing impacts. Food companies often label items based on consumer perception, not biology. Ever seen a fruit juice with carrots in it? Now you know why. 19. Fruit-vegetable hybrids. Don't exist. While some foods seem like both, no plant part is technically both a fruit and a vegetable. It's one or the other depending on the botanical structure. 20. Final bite of truth. Whether you call it a fruit or a vegetable, what matters is how you use it and how much you enjoy it. But now, when someone calls a tomato a veggie, you can politely tell them they're wrong, at least scientifically. So, fruit or vegetable? Now you know there's more than meets the eye or the taste buds. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your foodie friends. Drop a comment. What food surprised you the most today?